I'm Brooke from Intelligent Concrete, and I'm just going to chat with you a little bit about how we're preparing for the 494 test coming up. We picked up a ton, literally, of sand and rock and trying to process it here over the next week so we're ready for the test. And what we've done is taken large plastic sheeting, like 6mm sheets of plastic, cleared everything out of the lab, everything that was movable, and tables, chairs, equipment, cleaned everything out so that we could put down this plastic sheeting and cover it with material. We have like over 5,000 pounds going on inside that we have spread out, and we are constantly flipping it. As you see it air dry, we have fans on it. It feels like kind of like the beach in there. It's humid, there's fans going, you smell the sand and the rock. So we are just continuously flipping it to make sure everything is dry and uniform, and we'll continue to do so throughout this next week. And that way we'll just kind of, after we dry it, we'll put it in buckets and then we'll weigh it up the day before. But then our material's dry, and that is the best way we have found to dry and process such a large quantity. So that is what we're up to today in the lab.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete!
Beat asphalt.